breakfast free early in the morning.
Vinayaka Malihudi, originally Mysore player.
Gayatri Tokunbi.
They gave Benny water in this as well. I'm actually good at this.
Hello viewers, welcome to Jifata Taste. Today I'm in the city of Mysore, known for its rich heritage, culture and of course silks. I came to meet my dearest friend here and now we're on a breakfast spree early in the morning to check out two amazing places that were recommended by a lot of people to me in Mysore. The first being Vinayaka Malihudi OG, established in 1938, known for its amazing masala dosas. And the second being GTR, Gayatri Tiffin Room, which has been in this industry for almost 60 plus years. So now first we are going to Vinayaka and second will come to GTR. Let's see which one wins in terms of idli and dosa. Hello.
Here we are at Vinayaka Malihudi, originally Mysore player. Yeah, I got an idli first. There's so much of butter, like a dollop of butter in it. And this is coconut chutney. See this coconut chutney, I think it's only coconut and chili. There is no lentils, unlike what we see in the other part of the south. And here they don't have sambar, and they have sagu. It's a kind of curry, you can say. It has a very punchy taste with some sort of caramel, onions, and potatoes. The idli is okay, but I like the chutney and sagu more. So, yeah, idli is manageable. This could go for an 8 on 10.
Okay, so now we have masala dosa.
They gave Benny butter in this as well. It looks very crispy. It smells very crispy, but when you touch it, it's very soft and soggy. So I'm gonna try. With this, they only gave the chutney because the palya is already inside, the sagu is already inside. Well, honestly, the idli was a bit disappointing, but dosa I wouldn't like. It's actually nice. I feel the crisp flavor, but the dosa felt too soft. So it's like it's balancing both the crispiness and the soft flavors, and hence, yeah, it would give a 9 out of 10. I wouldn't say a 10 out of 10, but yeah, a 9 out of 10. So,
yeah, the second place, Gayatri Tokunbi. I've heard really amazing things about Gayatri Tokunbi, being one of the most popular eateries with over a 60-year heritage here. So yeah, I got an eatery first. Let's try the eatery. Fan. And honestly speaking, this idli is actually made with rice and dairy, which gives it more grainy texture as well as the soft interior. So I love the idli compared to what I had at the earlier place when I made it. So here, the idli seems very soft and the sambar and the chutney are also very nice. So I definitely rate this a 10 on 10. So now we're trying iconic masala dosa. You can see how crispy it's on the outside, but how fluffy it is on the inside. And this masala looks promising. Just gonna try the first bite and see. So I'm just going to try the dosa just like that. The masala is very luscious. This masala doesn't feel like the regular Karnataka masala dosa. It more feels like an Andhra style. And of course, with the chutney and with the sambar, it just feels right. I'd give this a 9.5 out of 10. Comes the coffee part. It's been almost ages since I had a coffee. Now, I think this would be again a new taste for my palate because I'm not used to it in the recent times. So this is a filtered kapi, honestly, not a filter coffee. And should we do it the Gajam style? Okay, I don't mind doing it. I'm actually good at this. Well, I like to believe that I am. The first step. I think it feels like the 80-20 scale coffee. Philippines, this specifically from Chikmagalur, can feel that. And they're roasted to perfection. It feels a bit, liquidy. I don't find it super rich in terms of the taste. So maybe could be a thing of the milk being less. But yeah, the passion being high, that could also be a reason. But yes, on an overall scale of 10, we can rate the coffee for the night.
Actually, what's the vibe?
So after an amazing breakfast meal at both the eateries, I personally loved the Gayatri Tiffin Room GTR's idli as well as dosa. And their coffee is also exceptional. What I loved about the place is their taste, their texture and also the ambience. It was offering amazing home and authentic style of Mysore-based idlis and dosas. So if you ever visit Mysore, be awesome enough to try at GTR and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep eating, stay healthy and stay safe. Bye-bye.